Good morning, third graders. It is Miss Veloz, and I'm here to show you how to use Google Classroom. So when you first sign in, this is what your page would look like. You'll click on your teacher's name, and then you are brought to your stream. Your stream is where you will find information that your teacher posts every day. So on mine today, I have my video chat times. I normally post a morning message, and I always post a riddle for my class. To look at your classwork, you're going to go to the top and click Classwork. Once you're here, you'll notice that there are different topics. So for example, I have extra practice, I have writing work, math work. Everything that's math will be under math. Everything that's writing, under writing. Okay, so when you want to do an assignment, I'm going to do this first one here for extra practice. You want to click the button that says View Assignment. It brings you to a page like this. On this page, you'll have some directions written here maybe. I normally write some directions there. Then you'll go on the right and click on the Google Doc your teacher created for you. You'll go into the page and you're going to solve the problems or whatever the assignment is and complete it entirely. So I'm going to show you an example right now. So 143 plus 129 equals 415. Now, if I finish this work, I would go back to the page where I looked at my assignment and I would turn it in. This button right here, turn in. It's important we turn in our work so that our teachers, they'll know that we completed the assignment. If by accident you didn't finish and you might have turned it in, you click unsubmit. And you'll be able to go back into your document and finish it. So that, for the most part, is all that I wanted to show you today. If you have any questions, you can let me or your teachers know and we will help you.